Fried some chicken. My daughter is having a little get together, and she was told to, everybody's bringing a dish that uh, their mom cooked as a child. So mine's was, she wanted me to make my fried chicken with my special sauce, secret sauce, and macaroni and cheese. So that's what I did. So here's the chicken. It's all fried up. And then here is my secret sauce that I'm gonna dip the chicken in. So here is the chicken with the sauce on it. That look good, don't it? It is good too. I've been making this recipe for over 15 years. I actually got this recipe, well, part of it from a church, a brother at church. Is actually a secret recipe of his. He will not tell nobody how to make it. So when he would make it and people were around, he was real sly with slipping in his ingredients. So you couldn't even catch him. All you knew, it was butter and hot sauce. That was it. You kind of had to taste it and kind of make it your own, which I did. And every time I fry chicken, that is what I'm known for. My fried chicken, friends and family love my fried chicken with my secret sauce. And so there it is. There it is, there it is, baby, there it is.